camper van stuck in mud.
La 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 la.
I love autumn. It's my favorite season. There are so many leaves here.
Oh.
I'll blow them away.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, help me.
Welcome. This is TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help you?
TinkerBot, please help me. I'm covered in mud.
Huh? How did this happen? Don't worry. I'll clean you up. Vehicle size, large. Dirt level, very dirty. Dirt type, leaf, mud. All right, let's start. First, rinse with clean water. I should remove these leaves first. All done. Now add some bubbles. Wash the bubbles away. Blow dry with the fan. And finally, wax and polish. Now let's fix your camping tools.
That's great. Thank you, TinkerBot.
We'll fix them one by one. First, the chair. Then the table. And finally, the teapot. All done.
Thank you, TinkerBot. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. Have a safe trip.